Baltimore State Senator Nat Oakes is accused of accepting more than $15,000 in bribes to help someone he thought was a Texas businessman develop city-owned property around Druid Lake. In fact, the man, known as Mike Henley, was really working for the FBI in a corruption investigation. In a court filing last week, federal prosecutors said Oakes confessed. He confessed that he had accepted the first 2 cash payments from Henley in exchange for issuing 2 letters to HUD on his official letterhead, prosecutors wrote. Oakes also confessed that he accepted the 3rd cash payment in exchange for filing a request for legislation. Oakes' lawyers then filed a claim the federal investigation goes beyond Oakes, saying it's part of a larger dragnet investigation into members of the Baltimore City Council and the Maryland legislature. Do you know of any federal investigation of any member of the Baltimore City Council?
I'm totally unaware of any of that.
In an interview at City Hall, City Council President Jack Young said he knows of no federal subpoenas that have been issued concerning the council. He acknowledged going on a ride-along with Senator Oakes and a man who wanted to do business in Baltimore. Young says he could not recall the name. Do you remember meeting with someone who was with Nathaniel Oakes talking about economic development in a particular area of the city?
Yes.
Do you remember going on a ride-along?
Absolutely. Mm-hmm.
Did you look at a particular piece, 2 pieces of property across the
Showed a couple pieces of property across the city. That's part of my job.
Asked if Oakes should resign his legislative seat, Young said that's up to him. The mayor deferred to the state.
I think that's up to the state, and I think the Ethics Committee is meeting on that.
Nathaniel Oakes is also charged with obstruction of justice. Prosecutors say he at one point had agreed to cooperate with the FBI in another investigation related to someone with ties to the bail bond industry, but then prosecutors say he decided to tip off that target and thwarted that investigation. Reporting live tonight from City Hall, I'm Jane Miller, WBAL TV 11 News.